Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play King, Queen, Police, Thief. To begin, gather at least 4 players. You'll need 4 small slips of paper. On each slip, write one role: King, Queen, Police, and Thief. Fold these slips so the roles are hidden, then mix them up thoroughly. Each player will then draw one slip to determine their secret role for the round. Once everyone has a role, the King and Queen reveal themselves. The King immediately earns 1,000 points. The Queen earns 750 points. The police player's goal is to correctly identify the thief. The thief's objective is to remain undetected by the police, hoping to escape without being caught. Now, the police player takes action. They secretly point to one other player, indicating their guess for who the thief is. The player who is pointed at must then reveal their role to everyone. If the police correctly identify the thief, the police player earns 500 points for their successful deduction. If the police successfully catch the thief receives 0 points for that round. However, if the police guess incorrectly, the thief gets 500 points for evading capture. Play several rounds, keeping track of everyone's scores. The player who accumulates the highest total score across all rounds is declared the winner of the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.